to the Digital CEO drive-thru. What can I get for you?
Can I get another audience value pack, please?
Wait a second. Brandon, is that you again?
Well,
Dude, you've been ordering audience value and how-to content nonstop. What is going on?
Ever since I started my business, I've been really plateaued with my revenue, and I just can't seem to understand my audience and what they want in order to break through this plateau. I mean, it's awful.
Hey man, all right, I totally get it, and that's super frustrating. But let me ask you, have you been going to the OG guru across the street again?
What? Why wouldn't I?
Okay, I got it. Listen, the guru's telling you to add value by giving away your best stuff and teaching how-to content over and over again used to work. And it used to work 5 years ago. But the reality is that there are thousands of online business owners just like yourself doing that every single day. They're giving away more value, how-to content, and most of them are having the same problem because they all are blending in.
So how do I fix it?
Okay, take a look at the menu. You should see a free workshop coming up. Now I want you to get signed up for that because we're going to be covering this exact problem and more, especially inside of webinars, so that you can get content and webinars that convert and are highly engaging.
Thank you, I absolutely will. And you should too. If you finally want to start creating webinars that convert, create demand, are engaging, and build an audience, just click the link around this video and I'll see you there.